everyone, my name is Sean Fevens, Coordinator of Recreation Services for the Municipality of the County of Kings. We live in a beautiful place, and over the next month we're going to explore some of the amazing trails we have in this area. Now I know we're living in interesting times, so we ask when you visit the trails, do you please social distance, use proper hygiene, and if you're not feeling well, please stay home. The trails will always be there. So why don't you come with me and my family as we explore the beautiful Kings County trails. Hi, I'm Sean Fevens, Coordinator of Recreation Services for the Municipality of the County of Kings. As part of our exploring trails in our backyard, we are here today at the Bigalow Nature Trail in Canning. It's a great loop trail. It's not long, and majority of it is gravel based. It has some really neat footbridges, and it even has a workout center, outdoor fitness equipment along the trail. It can be accessed from various locations in the community, including the Glooscap Arena, behind the Glooscap Fire Department, and Northeastern Education Center. So come on out and take a look. One of the great things about the Bigalow Trail here in Canning is that they have this outdoor fitness center. So if you're on a walk around the loop and you want to get another workout in, here's the opportunity. The Bigalow Trail is also a great spot to bring your dog. There's lots of these waste and bag stations along the way. So bring your dog on leash and have a little walk.